Welcome back. My name is Dr. Baird, and today we'll be looking at one of the primary reasons your lower back may be hurting when you perform the squat. So the squat is one of the best movements to improve mobility and build strength for less impact on your joints, for less pain and arthritis as you get older. But I've worked with a lot of people who say they can't perform the squat because it always hurts their lower back. That sounds like the case with you. It probably comes down to your form. There's something that you're doing when you're performing that squat that's putting too much impact either on your joints, your facet joints, or your discs. And so what we want to do is start to take a look at the form so that we can fix it. So in today's video, I'll show you a really small, subtle, but very common mistake people make when performing the squat that puts a lot of impact on their lower back. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So, what happens when people first initiate their squat is they send their hips back, but as they send their hips back, their pelvis rocks forward. So I'll do a couple reps. It's a really subtle and small movement, but if my pelvis rocks forward, it creates a lot of extension at your lower back, and that creates a lot of compression on the joints of your lower back. And even in this position with no weight, it's just uncomfortable. So if I add any sort of weight to my squat, or I do a lot of repetitions, that's going to cause your lower back pain to hurt when you perform this movement. Luckily, it's a pretty easy fix. So to fix it, we have to prevent that pelvis from rocking forward. And to do that, all we need to do is brace our abs. So it doesn't need to be 100%, I'm contracting as hard as I can, but maybe like a 25% contraction, just a slight brace, and that holds your pelvis in place. When we contract our abdomen, it holds that pelvis in place so that as we perform that squat, my pelvis stays in a good position, which means my spine stays in good alignment, which means less impact on the joints, which means less pain. So give that a try. If you're somebody that's having back pain when you're trying to squat, simply brace your abs and pay attention to your pelvic positioning and see if that fixes it. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. So there you have it. That is one of the most common reasons why you may be experiencing lower back pain when you perform the squat. But just a reminder, it's not the only reason. If you try this and it doesn't fix your lower back pain, be sure to check out my other videos where we go over some of the other reasons you may be experiencing lower back pain when you squat. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.